What's up, everyone? It is Jason, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to ask some questions because I'm trying to do some fact finding of my community here on this channel. So I've got some questions, and I hope that you can help me out and answer some of them in the comments underneath this video. Your input is super important because it's going to allow me a little bit further reach into the community that supports my channel here. And I know that I've heard from a ton of people over the past 2 or so years of me releasing videos here on YouTube. And I need to get a current pulse of who exactly is watching the content here on my channel. So I've got some questions. First and foremost, are you a full-time DJ or a part-time DJ? Now, there's no shade. There's nothing wrong with either answer, but are you a full-time DJ, meaning this is the only thing that you do to support your lifestyle, your family, and all the things that you have going on? Or is this a part-time, on-the-side type of hustle for you? Are you a full-time worker at FedEx or a teacher or something somewhere? I need to know from you. Full-time or part-time? Question number one. Question number two, how many events do you do a month? If you're to look at the entire year and you were to average it out, how many events are you personally doing each and every month? Now, I'm going to put some brackets in here. 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, or more than 10. Please answer that question number 2 underneath this video. Question number 3, what is your preferred software of choice as a DJ? Are you a Serato DJ? Are you a Denon Prime user? Are you someone that rocks Rekordbox, Tractor, or something else? What is your go-to software as a DJ? What do you prefer? What do you use? Question number 3 underneath this video. Question number 4, what type of events do you typically do? Do you typically do weddings? Do you typically do general events, life events, nightclubs? Tell me more about the events that you are rocking most often. So if you were to break it out, hey, I'm Jason. I do 80% weddings, 10% corporate, 10% nightlife, something like that. Please answer that question in the comments, number 4, down below. My 5th and final question is, how long have you been a DJ? Have you been around since the inception of music? Have you been doing this for 3 to 5 years? Have you been doing this as of last year? Did you start 10 years ago? How long have you been a DJ? How long do you consider yourself to be a DJ? How long? When did you start? Let me know. Question number 5 in the comments underneath this video. Now, your input is super important because it's going to allow me to kind of get a better glimpse into the people that are supporting me in this channel. It's also going to allow me to further enhance the overall content that I'm putting together here on this channel. And I know I've got people that are new to the business, and I know I've got some people that have been around forever here on this channel, and I know there's some people in between everything. I'm just trying to see who's engaged, who's following, who's supporting me, and what you guys are using the most and where you're at. I'm just trying to get my hands on exactly who I should be making content for on this channel. So your participation, your answer is going to allow me to get better at creating better content for you as the consumer of all of the free content here on this channel. Anyway, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. Please answer anything and everything that you can. Questions 1 through 5 in the comments underneath this video, and be on the lookout. I've got some great videos on deck right here to this channel in the days, weeks, months ahead. Anyway, my name is Jason. Thanks for checking this out. Be on the lookout. Got some good stuff coming up.